Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Midlife Ryker here. Just wanted to bring you a quick video on how to take care of the annoying vibrating panel to the left, which is your air intake panel. For most of what I've been hearing, the panel here vibrates so much that it makes this really high-pitched sound, and it's very annoying. You can actually, I don't know if you can, but I can actually hear it through my helmet, and it's really annoying. The only time I don't hear it is when if I'm on the highway. That's pretty much it. So I have put some pieces around here, and it didn't make a difference. So let me just open this up real quick. So what I did was I put a piece of foam here, which came out of the front glove box. When I was putting the heat shield on there, the bottom part of it had this huge strip of foam. So I took that out, cut it, and put some here, part of it there, and I put part of it here, and it didn't help. And then I just put whatever I had disposed to me at the time. Like I put Velcro tapes to make it thicker. I put insulation rubber slash foam tapes to put them on here to see if the panel will stop touching the main bike, so it can stop vibrating and making that sound. At the moment, I only had this available to me, so that's what I used. But I went online to Amazon and I found out that there's a bunch of other stuff you can use too. Like you have foam tapes, which are like insulation tapes, foam tapes that you usually put in the doors of the cars, and you have these kind of tapes that you can put underneath the door of your house. So you have a bunch of different foam type tapes that you can look on Amazon and use those, but the sound still didn't go away. So I was speaking with Midlife Ryker, and he told me, well, he took care of that sound by opening the panel up. And I was like, opening the panel up? I didn't understand what he was saying. But then let me go ahead and go on inside, put this on the table, and show you how I was able to take care of that sound once and for all. Alright, so we have the panel taken out over here, and towards the bottom you'll notice two screws, one on each side right here. These can be taken out by a T15 torque bit. And then if you flip this around, you notice you have a hook right here, and for that what I use is a plier, and more of like a thin needle nose type plier. And all you need to do is, you'll see two tabs down here. One is on this side, one is on this side. And all you do is take the plier, put it where those two tabs are, push that in, and then you'll have to use, with your other hand, go ahead and push it down and out. So push it in and down and out. I don't know if you heard the pop, but that's pretty much what happens. You hear a small little pop, and then it opens up. And then up here, you have to slide it out. So you just slide it out, and your two pieces come apart. So you have your outer shell, which has the Can-Am logo, and then you have your inner shell, which has this part right here. So basically what was happening is that this outer shell here was pretty much vibrating off the inner shell, creating that sound, which was really annoying. So like I said, I used whatever I had at my disposal at the time. So I had this double-sided foam tape, and then I have this Velcro, the soft part of the Velcro on here. So I just put that on there just to create enough of a buffer so it doesn't hit the plastic piece and create that high-pitched sound that it does when it vibrates. So like I said, if I had to do it all over again, I'd probably order some foam tape. Like, you have all these different sizes foam tape on Amazon, different thickness, different width, and basically you can put one of that on, some of that on. So you notice that I've only put it on this side, which is pretty much the corner where it touches, it hits this top right corner, because every time I would sit and it would vibrate, I would just push that in and the vibration sound will go away. So all I did was to test it out. I went ahead and put some tape up here, thick tape up here, and that pretty much took care of the sound. So to put this back, you have to slide this back in its groove down here, and this thing just comes up. You just have to snap that into place. Make sure it's all nice and it's all in there, no issues. And then go ahead and put the 2 screws back in and you're done. Hopefully that'll solve your issue. And if it doesn't, then you'll just have to open it back up and go ahead and just add more tape on there if that's what it's going to take. So for me, just a little bit on that top right corner right here, this whole line right here, just a little bit of thicker tape did the trick. So hopefully it'll be just as easy for you guys, and it won't take that much. So all in all, I think just making this video is a bit longer than actually doing the work to take care of that vibrating sound, annoying vibrating sound that you guys know of. So that's pretty much it. So here, this thing now does not hit the other plastic piece, and that prevents it from making that high-pitched vibrating sound. So that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you guys real quick. Super easy to do. Doesn't take more than 5 minutes to do. I think it takes longer to make the video than doing the work, like I said. So yeah, hopefully if you have this issue, go ahead and try it out and see how that works out for you. I think it worked out pretty good for me, and I would not have known to do this had Midlife Ryker not told me that he opened his panel up, and that made me thinking. I was like, opened it up? I had no idea you could open it up. And I looked around, and sure enough, there were 2 screws here, and this hook right here, just release that, and there are 2 panels that come apart. So hopefully this will work for you as well. Let me know in the comments if it did. I appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and until next time, guys, be safe.